Hey, Eminem here. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made these 3 easy, delicious strawberry drinks at home. Many of us are spending a lot of time at home these days, and I thought this might add a little bit of sweetness to your day. And as always, all the recipes I followed are linked in the description, and let's get started. So the first drink is a strawberry jam soda. I started off with making some carbonated water. You can use anything that you have on hand, even Sprite works. And then I just added jam. You could add strawberry jam, raspberry jam, or even blueberry jam, whatever you like. And then I just added my carbonated water and mixed everything well, and it was slightly sweet but very refreshing. On to the next drink, which is strawberry milk, or any type of milk that you prefer. I prefer soy milk myself. Just starting off with a few slices of strawberries and mashing them up. And once your strawberries are mashed up, bring them to a boil for about 2-3 minutes and then cool it down. I just put it in this cute little jar I have and added my soy milk. Once everything is mixed, it's ready to be enjoyed. And our final and third drink is a strawberry Frappuccino. We're starting off with some ice, a few slices of strawberries, and my favorite part of this drink, a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Add whatever milk that you like, blend it up. And finally, this is absolutely optional, but if you want, you can top it off with whipped cream. I used coconut whipped cream, which made this drink very, very delicious. And that's it. I hope you try one or all of these recipes. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.